Hello everyone. One setup a day, poor keep me away. Two setup a day, rich not far away. Welcome to my channel Supply and Demand Mastery. Today, this video we are going to learn one of the common and basic setup error can found on our chart. So this is so-called RBS or SBR setup. So what is RBS? RBS stands for Resistance Become Support. So when during the uptrend or bullish scenario, we have the price moving upwards, then create a resistance here. After that, have a clear breakout. Then when the price retests the previous resistance, then it continue again. So this is a continuation setup. Very clear? This is the previous resistance became the support. And SBR stands for support become resistant. This usually it will happen during the downtrend. Forms a new support, clear breakout, retest to the previous support. So previous support right now turns and becomes the resistance. So this is the SBR setup. I think it's quite simple and easy to identify through our chart, right? So let's see what we have here. So this is a downtrend. Alright, this is a downtrend. We know this is where the trend is going to reverse. As you can see, where is the swing low or the support? Can you find the support right here? Support. Then once the price have the breakout, this is another new support. You see? Have a breakout here. This is a SBR setup. Support became resistance. So we have the continuation of the price structure. Then let's see more example. Here we have another example again right here. This is a support. And we have the supply zone as well. Right. So once you can use the line chart if you want. Right. Check when we have the support, then we have a clear breakout. This is where the price retests. Then this is where we make the entry for the short again, because this is the continuation setup, right? Same as the previous support, clear breakout, resistance. So the previous support right now becomes the resistance. So let's see more example. Right? Since we have another support right here, let's see what's the candlestick what we have here. Right, this is a previous support. Previous support, breakout, then retest back to this level. Then the price continue again. Right here we have again another SBR. Support, support, then breakthrough, retest to the previous support, then continue again. So let's see how the line charts looks like. So how to identify whether we have a strong support or a resistance? So what we want is to get in capital A or capital V. So for strong support, it should be formed as a capital V. A strong resistance should be formed as a capital A. So the stronger the support and resistance, the stronger or the higher the probability where the price it will get the rejection for this continuation setup. Here we also have one of the setup right here. Support, then we have the breakthrough, but the price doing a lot of the sideways or ranging right here. But at the end it still react after have the clear direction, can you see this movement with the impulsive move with a strong momentum? After a strong momentum, when it retests again, this is one of the opportunity where the previous support right now turns to the resistance. Of course, when you use together with the supply and demand, do you know and notice where is the supply zone or not? This is one of the supply zone right here, right? Same for the uptrend. So for the uptrend, then you can try and monitor, look for the resistance. Right here, resistance, second resistance. Looks like we have the double top. Am I right? This is the previous resistance, the highest level. Or you can switch to the line chart, but the line chart not very perfect. So we use the candlestick and double check. Resistance, then we have a clear breakout, retest once again. So if you miss the opportunity right here, actually yes, the price have give us another chance again for us to re-entry for this uptrend. And don't forget, this is also one of our demand zone as well. React demand zone together with the previous SNR. So this is also so-called the SSR. If you don't know what is SSR about, maybe you can look back the previous video that I have uploaded. So I have taught before of this SSR, significant support and resistance. You can get it through lower time frame with a more specific. So always the price and the chart, it will keep repeating the same things again and again. So this demand zone, and yes, right here the previous resistance became the support. Right here we have also the breakout of the previous resistance. Right, but this is not a strong breakout, guys. Right, always we want to see a clear and a strong breakout. So what is so called a strong breakout? You want to see a solid breakout above the previous resistance after the price, the next candles is continue with the bullish for the uptrend and bearish for the downtrend. So this is the bullish uptrend scenario. But what the price is doing here with the sideways or ranging indecision within the zone right here. So after that, the price have the pullbacks and once again have the breakout finally. It's right here. So we have to keep moving and moving our SNR again and again. So right here, this is also one of the triple top and have a clear breakout right here. But this is the another failed setup. So once we want to continue to buy right here, at the end we get our stop loss. Right? So not every setup is valid, and sometimes we still can get the failure. You have to understand trading is the game of the probability. There is no 100% of holy grail setup right here. When here's happens, because we have ignored some of the reason behind, then we have to check whether right here we have a high time frame strong supply zone or not. If yes, then this could be a strong reversal from a higher time frame supply zone. So always don't forget to check with the higher time frame structure and the supply and demand concept as well, or else you will get the trap and get the failure of the setup. So I think this video is quite much good example right here to learn the setup for this pair. Keep repeating the same things again. For this downtrend, we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 setup we have. Then for the uptrend we have just one RBS. Right, with the previous downtrend we have 5 SBR setup. So thank you for watching this video. Please do follow and subscribe this channel and hit the likes button if you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Wish you all the best. Happy trading, happy profit, happy life. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.